Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the HP EliteBook 840G8. Today, we'll walk you through the troubleshooting and repair process step by step. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop without causing damage. Start by powering off the device and disconnecting all peripherals. To access the internal components, we must remove the back cover. Begin by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located along the back panel. Remember to keep track of your screws. Using a magnetic tray can be very helpful here. Once the screws are out, gently use your plastic spudger tool to pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges carefully to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now that we have access to the internals, let's take a look at the components. Dust buildup can cause overheating and performance issues, so it's a good idea to clean the interior. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and heat sinks. This step can significantly improve cooling efficiency. If you're experiencing issues with the battery, locate it now. The battery is secured with screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, and gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you need a battery replacement, ensure you have the correct model for the HP EliteBook 840G8. Should you encounter any significant hardware failures, such as a malfunctioning motherboard or screen, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify problems and recommend the best course of action. Next, let's check the RAM. Locate the RAM slots and remove the retaining clips. Carefully pull the RAM sticks out and inspect them for any physical damage. If you wish to upgrade or replace them, ensure you select compatible RAM for optimal performance. For SSD issues, locate the M.2 SSD slot. Unscrew the securing screw and gently pull the SSD out. Again, if you need a replacement or upgrade, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about no calls, no travel. After performing your checks and necessary replacements, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Start by placing the back cover on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten each screw in a cross pattern to ensure an even fit. Once everything is back in place, power on your HP EliteBook 840G8 to check if the issues have been resolved. If problems persist, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you are informed of any costs involved before proceeding. In conclusion, troubleshooting your HP EliteBook 840G8 can be a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow the steps carefully. For any professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.